So how do we count bobbins? Well, this pattern starts from the bottom left and it goes to the top. So what we do is we make a foundation chain row. Just choose a majority color that's at the bottom row, and that's what you can start your foundation chain with. So for example, I see that there's a lot of brown on the first row. So I'm going to do my foundation chain of brown. I'm going to chain 145 because that's how many stitches are in the first row. To count your bobbins, when we start from the bottom left, you count every color change. So I will show you with my mouse. I am going to make a bobbin for orange, a bobbin for brown, a bobbin for this green, a bobbin for this green, a bobbin for this dark green, a new bobbin here, 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 another new bobbin right here, another one here, a brown one here, a black one here, and a brown one there, to bring you to the end of the row. You chain one and turn, and then it changes to a lighter green. So in the previous row, you will do a color change to that green, and then carry on with that green. You can also carry the brown at that point, and then change to the brown, and you will continue to use the same bobbin all the way up here. If you ask yourself, how many bobbins do you think I'll need in the middle at the most congested point of the pattern? Well, I would say what you do is take the middle of the pattern, which is right about here where my mouse is, and I'm going to count every color change. So that's 67 bobbins at one point that you will have hooked onto this blanket, and that will get heavy and dangly. So what I use is another blanket, and I lay my Graphghan work in progress on that blanket, and then I roll it up. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to help you.